Hi my friends, today we model this part with the name engine cover. The source comes from Timoteo Carrera Soto and is this one. The only problem is with these two supports because they are not well defined. This part is taken from Timoteo Carrera Soto drawings, and you can download it by watching the tutorial number 182. This is my drawing, and I added two views, this one and this one, by projecting this view. I added dimensions, angles and the two holes. To adopt a good strategy, we start by creating these two feet. You see there is a distance between this face and this face. I want to place the center point in the center of this circle, this one, and I rotate this, as you can see, or this way, to have Z up and Y to the right. This is our goal. And here we have dimensions: 44, 12, 45, 8, 45, again 8, 38, and that 8 millimeters. I'll create a plane from this face, which has the center point right here, yes, and I'll use that dimension of 8 millimeters from here. The procedure is a bit tricky, but I hope you'll understand and you'll apply this procedure. Dimensions are explained, and keep in mind that there is also this 100. Let's start. Standard millimeters IPT, origin. I create a new plane based on this one, and to the left minus 8 millimeters back. I apply sketch and I rotate the plane to have Z as a vertical. Then I draw a contour at a small scale, this one, and I want you to see what happens when I place a dimension. Everything will be placed here because here is an homotety dimension. This is now 7, and I place here 44. You see? If you draw lines from this point to each corner, you can find that 7 millimeters. Okay, other dimensions. This is 100, as I said. This is half of 156. 156 divided by 2. Angle of 45. and this dimension of 12. We have a fully constrained sketch, and we apply extrude the other direction of 38. I hide the plane, visibility, and we have this volume. You'll understand that why we start with this. We create a new plane based on this through this very point, and we rotate the sketch to have Z up and X to the left. We use this face, this plane, for creating a new sketch. The new sketch is a rectangle. The rectangle starts from here and goes somewhere here. Then I place dimensions of 8 here, and let's see. Oh, this is 9. 8. Good. Finish sketch. Now we have a contour there, and we can apply extrude. This is the contour. The direction is reverted, but I select cut. Cut through all. Okay. This plane is not necessary anymore, so we continue without it. Then we create a new plane based on this face and this edge. Plane, face, edge. The edge can be moved, the plane, to obtain 135, which means 180 minus 45. Okay. Then we have a tool to apply split. This is the tool, and we select what to be cut, this or this. This. Okay. This plane is hidden now, and we apply here a fillet of 8. Okay. The part has 2 symmetrical feet. We made this, and we apply mirror about this axis because this is the way to obtain 156. Mirror what? Mirror all we have here, not a feature. We select the solid and not individual features. What is the plane? XY. Okay. You see how it looks. Now you understand what I do. I create that revolving volume which contains some parts from this pick ends. That revolution volume is the external contour, this one, yes? Dimensions are here, I don't mention them. Sketch in the plane XY. and dimensions. We draw a line from the center point to the left with the length of 68. It's the center line. Then I draw lines here, up, once again up, here, and we have some starting features here. This dimension is 54. This dimension is 136. This dimension is measured from the other end. I respect dimensions in the drawing. This is 55. Then I use this endpoint to start an arc. This arc the radius is 44 plus 6. This endpoint measured from here is 178. Then I move this point to be somewhere here because I create another arc. This one with a radius 5, but I prefer to use the distance from here to here, even if the radius is 5. This dimension is 10. And I draw a line from this point to the center point. Dimension here, diameter here is 188. As you can see. Two dimensions needed. What are that dimensions? This is 45. Let's see. Apply. Tangency here is 1, and another dimension is about this point. We have to draw some lines here because this is not a dimension in the drawing. So I draw also this contour, even if I don't use it, in order to apply this 4 millimeters and so on, which go to the center of this radius. Okay, line, then another arc, this one, with a radius 44, which has the center over this center. Good, because this dimension is 6. 4 millimeters is this line, 4, and this has a small line here. There is a small line. I keep press the left button and I have tangency. I go to horizontal and I'm here. Then I trim twice, 1, 2, and I also trim this and also this small end. Now we place here the diameter of 166. Look here, 166. Good. This last dimension is 176. We didn't finish this. We draw another line here to this point, and we place the dimension of 6, which is the thickness of the part. You see, we have fully constrained. We don't use now these entities so that I make them constructions. I included this, which are not. Good. Finish sketch, revolve, and as you can see, we include ends of the feet. Okay, this was a trick. Now I want to create these protrusions or bosses. Dimensions are here, you see, 20. The face is here at 48, placed at 48, and on a circle with diameter of 156. We do this by creating that plane. Plane at 48 minus, my friends, minus home and minus. Okay, we use this plane for a new sketch. F7, I draw a circle somewhere here with diameter of 20. I place it, if I turn this part, because no, Y is vertical. Yes, I turn this and I use vertical, which is this. Yes, X is horizontal, Y is vertical. Z is not very clear. Okay, this dimension is half of 156. 156 divided by 2. Finish sketch. Hide the plane. And you see where is that closed contour. We apply extrude to the part, yes, and this is okay. Now we see that there is a hole in each of the 3 bosses, diameter of 6. Hole on this face with this center, not threaded but through at a diameter of 6. Okay, it goes outside. Okay, now we apply circular pattern for the last 2 features about this center, not 6 but 3. Okay, you see here 3 holes and here 3 bosses. Only now we create the internal hollow revolving volume. Dimensions are almost placed in the previous sketch. We'll use it. The plane is XY and F7. We go to the revolution to find the sketch. This is the sketch. We make it visible and we project this, 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 and this. Then we hide the sketch and we make all this as not construction entities but normal entities. They don't need dimensions. Then we continue with some other revolving features. After I draw this line between these 2 centers to be a center line, this point is not placed on the center line. You see, we have to apply extend to be there. I also draw a line from this point to this point because this must be construction. This is construction. Now we apply other dimensions. This is 24. I project this because this has the same diameter and we use collinear. Let me project this line. We apply collinear and another dimension was placed. Then we have diameters. This is 34. This is 15. And now I see that this is not part of our new sketch, and I have to extend it to the left here. The other dimensions are 4 millimeters only. Here, 4. Oh, there is another step. Sorry, excuse me. I draw this here. I trim this and I apply diameter of 24 and the distance of 6. This is 6. Now you can see we have 4 here and other dimensions, so that we have a fully constrained sketch. This will be a volume to be subtracted from the former one. I draw also these lines. Finish sketch, revolve, cut. Okay. Next features are this circular slots, I can call them, with radius 8 on a circle with diameter of 88 through, and with an interesting dimension here. Instead of angles we have 36, but this is what Timoteo asked us in 1935, my friends. We discussed with an engineer which was working on this nice drawings around 1935 in Sevilla, Spain. Okay. Let's create these slots. The face is this, and we use circular slots. This one with the center point. This is the best one. We go here at a circle of 88 divided by 2. Then we draw an arc which is 8 multiplied by 2. I don't like that this point seems to be on the same vertical with this. Let's see. No, it isn't. Good. We apply vertical. Is this vertical? Yes, it is, because it is y-axis. I place this point on the same vertical with this center. I move these points, and I apply a circular pattern on a sketch, my friends. What to be multiplied? This all entities. About what center? This center. How many? 3. And now we place that strange dimension of 36. Good. We apply extrude, taking this one by one with the cut through all, because we don't have anything behind. Okay, finally there are these 2 holes, 1, 2, which have dimensions here, 120, 15, and 2 holes of 8.5. We have all we need. We use one of these 2 planes, F7, X is to the right, then we draw a line of 120 placed at 15 from this face, and with the center on the same horizontal with the center point. Finish sketch, hole, select positions. This is one position, this is the other position. Diameter is 8.5 for both. Through. Okay. Good. Now we search for the volume, my friends. Properties, update. We select this, copy, close, drawing, double click here, and the other dimension is almost the same. The 6th rank is the position of this. Not important, but we place here the volume we finish here together. This part is made of steel cast. The color is very, very blue. Blue, well, wall paint and glossy. Yes, I apply shaded, and we compare the two. Puck. It is the same. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.